Well, it has come to this. Hello, mommies and pappies, everybody. This video was unexpected, not like most videos I do. Generally, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do when it happens, I edit. But this time, I didn't expect this, okay? Long story short, my dumbass decided to go get a lash lift. Okay, so here's the thing. I knew I had long lashes, so I said, let me just go and get some lash lift, because when I want to do makeup, I like them up, you know, and my lashes won't go up. Like, they would just stay down no matter how much I curl, no matter what type of holy grail mascara I put on, the motherfucker stay down. So what happened is this. I was like, let me get a lash lift, and I'm over it. Like, what can go wrong? What can go wrong? So long story short, I found like one of the main, you know, lash lift salons near my area, like the ones, not the best ones. So I'm gonna go do a recap with photos. Basically, this is how my lashes look before. Stunning, y'all see how long and cute and beautiful they look, but these motherfuckers won't stay down, won't stay up. They will go down one, you know, like they want to stay down. So that's what happened. And like I was then, okay, so then she put this, mind you, everything got my skin fucked up. By the way, I have allergic skin, so if y'all suffer the same thing as I do, yeah, I recommend not to do it. So she put this, with fucked up my skin for like a week. And then she put this liquid, she put this like plastic here, and then she started pasting them, and she was struggling because my lashes won't stay down. So once she did that, then she did like step 2, I don't know, some chemicals and shit. And then once she removed it, and then in order to stay up, you have to remove that plastic. Child, that fucked up my lid. That was so allergic, that fucked up my lid. Anywho, so after that, okay, after I got my lash lift, this is what happened. Okay guys, so I know y'all saw that little video, okay, me explaining the process. I assume, because I'm gonna record that later. So you guys, this is the result. Oh my god, oh my god, do y'all see this shit? They look so fake and they're so dark. What the fuck? No! You guys, I honestly didn't think I would look like this. I look like a doll, which I totally hate. I don't want to look like this all the time, okay? I don't want to look like this all the time. Do y'all see this? Yo. 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 No. We're gonna try to fix them. We're gonna try to fix them. If y'all want this, y'all can get it. I don't want it, okay? I really don't want this. Okay. Jesus, I look so weird. Entonces, so we're gonna try to calm this, okay? We're gonna try to calm this mess because I'm stressing out. Entonces vamos a intentar cepillar estas pestañas, separarlas, porque no voy a estar así, me voy a ver loco. So they told me I should wash it after 24 hours. It's been 1 hour, I'm thinking of washing it off. If I cannot fix it, I'm definitely gonna wash it off. No, that made it even worse. My lashes are so long. But I'm gonna try to put them down. I'm gonna try to put them down like this. Is it working? Kinda. You guys, it's not working. They're going up. They're going up. I'm gonna have to cut off my lashes because I cannot be like this. Like, I can't be like this. I look crazy. Like, I look fucking crazy. Okay, so I have a new technique. So I grab them and with my eyes, I go up. Okay? I go up. Okay, you guys. Having this was cute, but I'm gonna have to wet them because I'm not gonna be like this. They're not that bad though. No. Look how they look like when they're closed. Look how they look like when they're closed. Look how they look like when they're closed. They look like spider on my eyes. Look at them. I'm sorry. No. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, you guys. So this is gonna be a test, okay? This is gonna be a test of, okay, so they allegedly say that 24 hours you don't wet them, okay? This is gonna be a test what really happens when you wet them, motherfuckers, okay? Okay, so this is gonna be a test of what's gonna happen after you wet them after 1 hour. I need them to go down at least a little bit. I need a little settle something. Because, okay, they don't look that bad though. No. I can't look like this, you guys. I can't look like this. I can't look with these lashes. You guys, I know I did crazy stuff in this channel, but this is something that it's not that I hate it. But they look fake, they look awful, and if I would do makeup with this, they would look cute. Okay, listen to me. If I would do makeup with this, they would look cute. But on my everyday life, I don't wanna be looking at like you know what I'm saying. I be looking like SpongeBob. Like I don't know. Like this looks like some fake as shit. Like, look at this. What the fuck? It looks like I have an eyebrow on there. My lashes are so thick. I'm having a breakdown, okay? So we're gonna wet them. We're gonna try to fix them. I'm gonna put some, I don't know what I'm gonna put on there, but we're gonna try to fix them. So I'm gonna wash my face. This motherfucker is still up. Jesus. Y'all can see them? Okay, I'm gonna wash my face hard, okay? I'm gonna go in. You guys, they're not going down. They're going, but okay, I'm gonna use makeup remover, so I think this one might help. I shouldn't put this in the eyes like that, but you guys, okay, you guys, that didn't work out as I expected. Okay, so we're gonna play fire with fire. Okay, this video ended up being a makeup review, honey. So we're gonna test out maybe 3 mascaras. We're gonna test out Superfine Mascara by Smashbox. We're gonna test out Light Camera Lashes by Tarte. And last but not least, we have Superhero Mascara by It. All these mascaras be claiming to, okay, let's see what It claims. It claims elastic stretch volumizing mascara. Okay, it says that lash changing power brush wraps every lash from base to tip form. Super volume, super length, super elastic stretch. 96% say lashes look stretched. 96% say dramatic volume and length. 96% said saw plumper looking lashes. 100% said saw a fuller lash line. 96% said. Okay, results observed in a consumer panel survey. survey, okay? Now, listen it, bitch. We're gonna do my survey now. Which of these mascaras can fix the fuck up that I decide to do? Okay, so we're gonna try. We're gonna go in first with, okay. The issue is like I have an eyelash curler, but it's finished, as y'all can see the thing. And I think my lashes are so weak that they might break. So I have an idea. I'm gonna curl it the way down, so they're gonna go the other way. So let me try that out first. Let me bring the mirror so I can see, because my blindness. We're gonna try this out. Oh my god, this is, you guys. Okay, I got them. I'm scared I'm breaking them. Oh my god. Did I break them? Okay, so I have an idea. I will put mascara in here and I'm gonna paste them there, and then gonna put a pot tape on them and sleep like that. So I'm gonna grab some mascara. Okay. Okay, you guys, I was able to close both of them, and I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna happen tomorrow. And good night. Okay. Okay, you guys, so this is the next day, and before talking, I know y'all see this redness, this pimple. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? All the chemicals they put on me, I'm allergic to these MFs. Okay, I'm allergic. My skin is breaking out. These, I look like Minnie Mouse. Okay, I don't want to look like Minnie Mouse. I know many girls, guys, whoever wants, they want this result on their lashes. It's not me. I don't like them. They're too much. I should have thought about this. It's stupid. So you guys, I've been thinking about cutting them out. I've been thinking about this for 2 hours now, and I'm like, let's just do it. At this point, I saw many videos. They're gonna stay like that for not a long time, but I want to go out without sunglasses. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you guys, so I just cut them off. They still have a curl, and I cut this size a bit more. I like this size better. I like this size better, but they're gonna grow. Like, I'm indigenous, okay? We don't even go bald. This is gonna grow in weeks. I'm kidding. Let's pray they're gonna be back soon. So yeah, you guys, I really like them. Now I like them. I know they look messy. This side looks crazier, but yeah, I'm happy with them now. Okay, y'all, so this is the update. I actually ended up trimming them again, and they're growing up already. Like, they're growing so fast. It's insane. They're growing super fast. Y'all can see that. They're growing super fast, and I'm not saying they look bad. It's just like, I don't like looking like that without makeup. I feel like I already had an enough feminine face. I don't want to do it more feminine. I think I'm on my limit. I don't want to look. This is my limit. I don't like lashes up. I realize I don't think they look aesthetically nice. I don't think lashes up look pretty. I prefer them down. I prefer like an eyeliner. Even I fake eyelashes, I don't like them. So I came to realize that I don't like my lashes up, fake, real. I just don't like them. So you guys, that was this video. I'm sorry it was kind of random, but what to do, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and thank you again. I love y'all so much. Subscribe. This channel is about beauty, mental health, race, about my ethnicity, discrimination. Is all about the talking about these topics. So if y'all want to know about me, y'all like me somehow, then keep on watching. If y'all want to hate, then subscribe. Like, keep the hate comment. I really don't mind as long as y'all clicking. If y'all don't like this video, y'all hate me, just subscribe. Y'all gonna keep them coming. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh shit. Bye.